Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got a Saeco Vapore in shop with us. And pretty much what we did is we replaced the gasket on this machine, also replaced the screw that was somewhat, its threads were worn out, so we got a brand new screw in there. Also, we did replace the water pump on this machine, and we bought a new portafilter. So this is the new one. The old one was not engaging properly, and it was leaking a lot. So yeah, we're gonna make a shot with this machine. We're gonna put this in there, hold it until it goes 90. Then we're gonna get a glass under there, and we're gonna pour it. How this portafilter works is it builds a lot of pressure in those chambers, and then at some point releases like that. And as you can see, no leaks coming out of anywhere when it comes to the group head. And we're looking good. Looks like a great shot. Now we're going to let the machine warm up and we're going to test the steam. Alrighty, now we're going to test the steam on this machine. We let it cook for a little bit. Now we're going to open the valve. As you can see, everything working really well. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.